Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a quick demonstration of the icarsoft TVT V1.0 kit. The kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description and the comments box below. We're in a little Toyota Yaris here, and you can see we've got the airbag light showing on the dashboard there. We're going to use this kit to diagnose the fault and hopefully erase the trouble codes and erase the warning light from the dashboard. So we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port, which is underneath the steering wheel but before you get to the pedals, and I'm going to click on to Diagnostics, click on to Toyota, click Other Area, click Manual. I'm going to scroll down to SRS Airbag. And I'm going to click Read Fault Code. So that was giving us the B1821 open inside squib right hand circuit. So the right hand circuit is underneath the driver's seat in this car, and that's where it basically told us where to look. So we looked there was a problem with the connection. Actually, it was a faulty connection. It had come loose, so we put it back together. And then the airbag light is still on, but what we need to do is just click on to Clear Fault Memory, and this will do a refresh of the system, and then it should allow us to erase the trouble codes and also erase that airbag light. So we'll just click OK. There we go, erase done, and the airbag light has gone. So it's all thanks to the icarsoft TVT V1.0 kit. As I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video. And also put the link in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.